Hey, I'm Chelsea. I've battled a lot of anxiety and depression in my life, but I've learned a great way to boost my mental health: fishing. Escaping the daily grind in favor of fishing is always a good idea, especially if you find yourself in need of a reset. We all know that nature has unique restorative properties and a therapeutic effect. Couple that with quiet time and the refreshing perspective offered by wildlife, a day on the shore might be just what we all need. Fishing forces us to slow down and focus on something outside of ourselves, offering an easy escape from the norm. When life is harried and stressful, turning our attention to the graceful ease found in nature is one of the best ways I've found to decompress. Casting a line inherently involves simple decision making, which is a great way to boost self-esteem. We're usually bombarded with everyday choices that can become overwhelming, but when you're confined to deciding between a couple lakes, a few bait options, a long rod, or a short rod, it clarifies things. It helps to see that life, like fishing, is really just a series of this or that decisions, coupled with a fair amount of patience. While you're waiting for a bite, you have lots of time to reflect. You're away from the urgent needs of a desk or a computer, so put your phone away and soak it in. Amidst the quiet peace of nature, you can work through any issues that are weighing on your mind. Feelings of gratefulness are bound to increase. Even if you don't hook something, it's impossible to walk away from a day of fishing without feeling thankful for nature's provision. Finally, we can't forget about exercise. Numerous studies show that regular exercise relieves tension, improves well-being, and enhances energy. Anglers looking to improve their mental health and well-being are in luck, because the best fishing spots usually take a little energy to get to. Between walking there, setting up, casting, and waiting, you'll definitely release some endorphins.